Hey there, I'm Devin and I'm gonna show you how to make melting potatoes. Woo! This is a recipe I have seen blowing up all over the internet, but we are gonna up the ante today. We're adding garlic and we're adding Parmesan, so let's get started. Yukon Gold potatoes, they have a really nice creamy consistency. What you wanna do is cut these into 1-inch slices. So these are gonna be thick chunks. Oh no! Just slice them up. And I am not peeling these today. Yukon Golds have a really thin skin, so you'll just save yourself some time not peeling them and you're still gonna get really delicious results. All right, now that you have all of your potato slices, I'm just gonna add them to a large bowl and we are going to add our seasonings. Traditional melting potatoes are made with butter, but we're lightening up a little bit, so we've got 2 tablespoons, and then we're also gonna use 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. That's gonna make sure that these don't burn in the oven, but it's also gonna just lower the saturated fat a little bit. A tablespoon of chopped fresh thyme, and then we're just gonna season with a little salt and ground black pepper. Toss this, make sure they're all evenly coated and evenly seasoned. All right, you wanna use a metal baking pan because a glass baking pan could shatter in the high heat. Arrange your potato slices in an even layer in the pan, and that you don't need to keep any space between them. They can be close together, just not on top of each other. If you have anything left in your bowl, just drizzle that over top. So any additional oil, butter, and seasonings. My oven is preheated to 500 degrees and they're going to roast for about 30 minutes and I'm gonna flip them halfway through. Here we go. Okay, these potatoes have been roasting for 15 minutes. So now what you wanna do is you just wanna flip. I always take them out of the oven when I do this step. If you try to do this while they're still in the oven with just the door open, then your oven is cooling down. All right, they're all flipped and they go back in the oven for another 15 minutes. Okay, while the potatoes finish roasting, we are gonna grate the garlic and then whisk it into the broth to make it super easy to infuse tons of garlicky flavor into those potatoes. This almost turns it into like a paste. See how it kind of makes this paste? And it's so much easier than mincing garlic. It's just so much faster. All right, make sure to scrape up every last bit of it. You don't want to lose any of this garlic. You just got a cup of low sodium vegetable or chicken broth. So whisk your garlic into there and this is ready to go onto the potatoes. The edges of these potatoes are all crispy and golden, but now we're gonna take it a step further with this garlicky broth we made. Add it to the pan. All of the potatoes. We're gonna sprinkle the Parmesan cheese. Oh my goodness, this is gonna add so much delicious flavor. Back into the oven for another 15 minutes until all of that broth is absorbed. Ooh, look at these sizzling potatoes. Okay, the potatoes are out of the oven. It smells so good in here. You can just smell the garlic wafting through the air. I cannot wait to try them. There will be a little bit of the reduced broth left in the pan. Get a little spoonful to drizzle on top. Let's dive in. You can see the potato is almost like mashed on the inside. It's so creamy and soft. Oh my gosh, you're gonna wanna eat these with everything. Thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram and comment below to let me know what you wanna see next.